Hey, what's going on? I'm Jeremy.
Hey, I'm Anderson.
By the way, Anderson, congratulations on getting married last weekend.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it.
Awesome. Today, I want to talk to you about invoice printing. Could you go ahead and show us how to invoice print in the system?
Absolutely. So when you're invoice printing in BrokerWare, you want to, you have your invoice preferences set already in your customer profile. And then once you've created the invoices and you run a sync, they'll go into invoice printing. So from your invoice printing, you'll have a couple options. You'll have, the physical print, which this will populate PDFs for you so you can download or send to your printer. You'll email your invoices. You can send your invoices through EDI. Any that you've sent to the print that you've resent to the printing queue will go in your reprint. And then same as email, any email invoices that you've sent to that you've resent to the print queue for emails will show up here. So for example, here, this will tell you how many invoices that you have available to print. So right now I have, con is consolidated invoices and non is non-consolidated invoices. So unless you have that set up, your invoice preferences will typically be non-consolidated. So from here, let's just say I want to print these physical ones. I can view the details. If I click view details, I'll see the view details of all the loads that I'm printing and the invoices and the invoice details. Or if I could just want to click this circle, I can print all of those invoices. Mm-hmm. So just for example, let's say if I want to just select several invoices to print, I don't want to print all the invoices right now. I'll go ahead and select these three, and I can either remove these from the print queue or I can print the selected invoice. So let's just go ahead and print these ones. Now, what that does is it'll open up a brand new tab for me, and it'll give me the 3 invoices that I wanted to print as a PDF. So from here, I can download them, or I can just go ahead and send them to the printer.
That's awesome.
Additionally,
easy.
Yeah. So this is super simple. It's a great way, like if you want to email them yourself or you want to just save batches for yourself, this is a very simple way to do it. And then additionally, so as you can see, I printed those 3. Now this went from 11 to 8. And if I go to my print history, this will give me a history of all the invoices I printed. You can choose the different filters and search from here. But let's say the batch I just printed, I can view the details here. Even previous batches I've done, I can view the details here. And additionally, if I want to, let's say if there's a load that I want to reset into the print queue, take 104.70, for example. I'll search it up. From here, I'll go ahead and set this load back into the print queue. Then now I have my reprint. I have that here, 104.70.
Very cool. Awesome. Well, thanks for tuning in for this week's edition of TidBits with the invoice printing, and we will see you next week.
Have a good one.